AlphaFold 3 is doing protein, RNA, DNA interactions, which is super complicated and fascinating. That's amenable to modeling. Alpha Genome predicts how small genetic changes, like if we think about single mutations, how they link to actual function. So those are, it seems like it's creeping along to sophisticated, to much more complicated things like a cell, but a cell has a lot of really complicated components.
Yeah. So what I've tried to do throughout my career is I have these really grand dreams, and then I try to, as you've noticed, and then I try to break them down. It's easy to have a kind of crazily ambitious dream, but the trick is, how do you break it down into manageable, achievable interim steps that are meaningful and useful in their own right? And so virtual cell, which is what I call the project of modeling a cell, I've had this idea, of wanting to do that for maybe more like 25 years. And I used to talk with Paul Nurse, who is a bit of a mentor of mine in biology. He runs founded the Crick Institute and won the Nobel Prize in 2001. We've been talking about it since, before in the 90s. And